I've been working with Jennifer Zmark over the years to help me regain strength and confidence and empowerment since my divorce. Working with her has been truly a gift. I also sought therapy, but therapy that tends to focus more on the past and on healing wounds. While there's a place for that, I really have appreciated how Jenn has helped me focus my attention on the future. What do I want my situation to be, and help me to achieve those goals. It has been a privilege working with her because she will shoot straight, she will not sugarcoat, she'll build you up and she'll see your potential, and because she cares about you, she will make sure that you reach your potential. She's sassy, she's fun, she's confident, and she is worth her weight in gold. I recommend that you work with her if you're considering it. Do not question it, just go for it. One of the other benefits of working with Jenn is that I have felt confident to begin dating. And I've got to go because my date is on the way.